Hello, today I show you how to set up Siemens WinCC communication with Siemens PLC software Tia Portal. Let's start. First, I create one program. Just simple. One start button, one stop button. Make this light is on. I just show you how to communication with the WinCC, not program. Okay, let's start. Make sure simple. Let's see. Okay, let's start. This one program is simple. Just stop button. That's it. Okay. Now we go to WinCC, create a new one. Test. Okay, go to Tag Manager, open. Go to Tag Manager, create a new driver. We just use type port, it's the i7-5000. So here, new connection. This is the connection parameter. Here is IP address. We use this one, i7 PLCSIM Advanced. So his IP address 192.168.0.1. Okay, 192.168.0.1 is access point. We use i7 online. It's product family. We choose i7-5000. Okay. Then we create a communication. Here, look. His hand up is marked. That's mean PLC is a communication, it's the WinCC connection, it's successful. So I create picture, new picture. Button, go to start. Okay. Copy. Stop. Okay. Then the light. That's it. We now set up with the parameter. Here is already is mouse, press left. When title oh sorry, here we don't set up. Here we should set up start button, address is the memory address 0.1. Okay, stop. Light. So that's it. Now we go to here, set up here. When title here start. Okay. Zero. One. Stop. One. Stop. Oh, sorry. This one should be 0. Oh, yeah, 0. Oh, yeah. 0. Okay. One. One. Is release left is just 0. Okay. So go to here, go to effector. Okay. Go to color. Go to background color. Dynamic diagram. Choose bowling. Title, we choose light. Check is what? No error. Choose. Here we always choose upon change. Okay. That's it. Okay. Save. Now start. Okay, it's working. Let me see. We can start. Oh, okay, start, stop. Okay, start, stop. That's it. Okay, this is too simple. I just show you how to create communication WinCC with type port by using PLCSIM Advanced. Okay, thank you very much.